Hey guys, I'm Irfan and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Synex OS version 1.1 and I'll show you a review of the ROM. So let's get started. The Synex OS version 1.1, as you can see, so this is the ROM, and when we head up to settings, about phone, so here it is written Synex OS and all these things, and in status and device status is official. Okay, so this is a pretty good thing. And let's check about device maintenance and memory. How much memory we got in this ROM is, when we clean up all the mess, so we get almost 382 and 285, almost 500 MB of RAM we get in this ROM. Okay, so here it is the ROM, and it is pretty much awesome. It is lag free, as you can see, there is no lag between these things, and it comes with a bulk of modes. Okay, so the ROM comes in the bulk of modes, as you can see here in Synex OS control box. You can modify each and everything in the status bar. So this is pretty awesome thing of this ROM, that you can even change the color of these things. Okay, so I'll show you. This is the 3-minute battery control, which is, I don't like that feature, but it's okay, I'm okay with it. So it does do one thing, that it turns the battery into a circle mode, a clock mode. Okay, so you have a clock setting, you can turn it on or off. You can turn seconds also, and you can change the location of the clock right over here. You do not need to flash any zip file or something. You can change the font style of the clock, you can change the size, you can change the position, you can choose whether you want to show date or not. Okay, so these are pretty awesome features. Another is color in the status bar, so you can choose any of this color. That, for example, I just see color of the voltage just red, so you will see after reboot, as you can see, the color of LTE has changed to red, and I just go to the white. Okay, so by this here you can change each and every color. And another thing is signal location and Wi-Fi, show where to show the signal location. Okay, so it is on right, obviously. Icons, here are some icons you want to change, or that you can change between these things. I'll show you how to change them. Okay, I will change this one. Okay, when we system reboot, so as you can see, the icon has been changed. Okay, so icon has been done, and you can, another thing is custom carrier. You can write some custom carrier over here or on the right, just as Synex OS is written when we install the ROM. Okay, now the another thing is custom logo UI. So custom logo UI, is if you want to turn on logo over here. Okay, another thing is battery bar setting. Over here you can turn on the battery bar or turn off, like this. This is the battery bar. Okay, I don't want to write this. Another thing is dynamic status bar color. So it is currently disabled, but you can enable it and do some settings over there. And another thing is network traffic mode, which is shows the traffic control, and the network speeds Samsung. This is the network speed Samsung, and the traffic mode is just like the left. I will show you when I enable it. So it is showing like this. So I'll disable it for now. Okay, now the virtual buttons, I prefer turned off them. Okay, nothing much. So we go ahead to the notification panel, and here you can see all of the colors, volume bar settings. You can change even this color also. This color also you can change. Okay, so I'll show you about that. Okay, so as you can see, the color has been changed. Okay, now you can even do a blur settings over here. You can turn it off, on, and you can see the blur. Okay, so that the feature is very pretty awesome. And custom UI, which is expanded over here, I don't want to turn it on right now. Okay, so clean memory and RAM settings. This is something like when you are in recent panel, you will see a RAM option over here. Okay, so I have turned it off because I don't want that. Device info setting, that you can see here. You can see some device informations, and you need to select what you want to show and what you want to hide. Okay, so I want to hide these things and show these things. So this is what here it is. Okay, and you can choose the color also. Another thing is data usage setting. The toggle and grid setting. Okay, so here is toggle and grid settings. And the another is notification heads up, which heads up is shown over there, and the single swipe for quick panel. This is the thing when you will scroll down to the notification panel, it will just like this, but from here you will do, and it will open whole notification panel. So this is the pretty good thing I have shown in this ROM. And obviously multi-user control. So we are done with notification panel, and display settings are the most common settings. The lock screen is when you have to show the clock settings of the lock screen, and text at the bottom, operation text settings, and you can do all of these things over here. And recent panel, I have shown you that custom background you can set animation, you can blur the background. Here is the memory RAM bar setting, and app launcher settings. Okay, so here is the power menu. Now let me show you when you install the stock ROM of the Synapse OS. When you press and hold, then you will get this type of long menu. This is a lot power menu. So you can turn off some settings, then you will have this kind of power. Okay, but I need this long settings, it's awesome. Now here is blur effect and custom background. Okay, nothing much more. Apps color, which is, you know what it is. System sound and settings. So sound, when you press, you can set your own sound when you press something, or battery is low, or creating a screenshot, or third-party sound settings. Okay, now other features. Let's talk about other features. Animation of a keyboard. So the keyboard is the most important thing in this ROM. So when the keyboard is look like this is awesome keyboard. When you got all the features up on this panel, and this ROM has live message feature, which is live message feature works awesome. Thumbs up to this feature. So let me show you something. Okay, So let's play this. Yeah, it's not laggy. So this is the best feature, I think. And now it is ready to be shared. Another thing is clipboard, and these are the awesome features of this ROM. And that's it. The keyboard, you can set these things from keyboard settings, and you will got so much features like this. Okay, so let's talk about the call recording feature. So this is the call recording feature from the dialer. You don't get this thing from your phone. Yes, you don't get this feature. To get this feature, you have to do a procedure. You can see the video on this I button or check the description below. After that, you will able to record your calls, otherwise you can't. So this is advanced function menu, and here are some features that you will see, just like APN setup, GPS satellite, notification log. You can check notification log, you can check the device info, you can usage statistics, and box with suites. You know what it is? It is the KitKat version. Yes, when you were in 4.4, this is the KitKat version of 4.4. And this is Marshmallow Land, obviously 6. By the way, my high score is 3 on this game. I have high score of number 3. Okay, here are some developer options and Magisk Road. And lastly, about. So it will say about the ROM, and you can donate the developers. So this was the Synex OS RC, which is called ROM control, and you have checked the performance, and this OS is working nice. I've been running this OS from last 2 weeks and it is working perfectly fine for me. Battery backup is lot more important. Battery backup is a lot more beautifully specified, and all the features works fine, all the thing works fine in this ROM. Okay, so I'll give thumbs up to this ROM. Yes, and it is no bug ROM. Really, it is no bug ROM. Okay, so I'll give a thumbs up to this ROM, and I'll prefer you to download and install this ROM. The download link of this ROM is given in the description box below. Okay, so if you want the performance test stock ROM and this custom ROM, so just wait, I'll do one performance test too soon. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope this video will help you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.